Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
But even if that is what I am truly like, I want to end the story once and for all. I want to protect you because of my own feelings, not some role given to me. Even if I use up all of my power.
When that happens, I'll go back to being just a bird. And I won't ever study ballet with everybody again.
You are such a little puppy.
So cute.
It's